Jim Colby, we were seeing some wide discounts in muni closed-end funds, but they've narrowed of late. Are they still good buys?
Greg, they are still good buys, but the muni market as a whole is a good buy and a very interesting asset class right now.
What about high-yield munis? Because this is something that you watch quite closely.
I do, and I have two high-yield municipal ETFs that represent a significant part of the high-yield universe. And high yield is attractive. Strictly on a spread relationship basis, it is as wide as it's been any time in the last 2 years.
Why would I like a high-yield muni closed-end fund or ETF like one of the ones you run, as opposed to a high-yield corporate bond?
High-yield munis, interestingly enough, are spread at a ratio that is unsurpassed over the last 20 years. High-yield munis to high-yield corporates. The exodus out of high-yield corporates took place probably about a month ago, and the spread has widened out. And we've seen crossover buyers very interested in the muni space.
And what are your favorite credits right here? Do you like GOs? Do you like revenue bonds? Do you like states, or do you like sewers? What do you like?
Well, for the most part, high yield holds court in with products like tobacco securitization and industrial revenue type products, not many GOs, Detroit being perhaps the exception to that rule. But there are significant opportunities still to be had, as I said, with tobacco securitization bonds, for example.
And when people talk about high-yield munis, a lot of people are talking about that Puerto Rico auction, which took place about a month ago. Got some nice high yields on those bonds. Is that the type of bond, when you talk about high-yield muni bonds, people should step into or avoid those?
Well, Puerto Rico came to the marketplace with a $3.5 billion issue, and it's pretty much the benchmark for representation in high yield. Whether you buy individual bonds or not that's another question. And perhaps if you're going to be invested in the muni high yield space, you should consider a product that offers diversification. That's why we offer ETFs.
Jim Colby, thanks a lot.
Great, thank you.
Thank you for watching The Street.